guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel, Yum Yum Herbias. So hello to all my Yummilicious around the world. How are you there? So today guys, I'm gonna cook very famous, especially this one is from Korea. So in English guys, we called it a rice cake, but for them, in their language, they called it tteobokki. Okay, am I correct? Tteobokki guys. So I already prepare all the ingredients. So of course I'm gonna use this rice cake, as you can see guys. Okay, and of course I have here the seaweeds. Okay, and of course I'm gonna use the anchovy. Okay, it's like small fishes. Okay, and I have here the fish cake. Okay, and the squid, no, it's a shrimp cake also guys. Okay, and of course I'm gonna use the spring onion, and I have here also the brown sugar, and of course guys I have this chili paste. Okay, chili paste, and later I'm gonna use also this chili powder, and also this tteobokki hot sauce. Okay, so guys, we will start to cook now.
Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby. Baby. Everybody shake it, baby.
So, hi guys! So, I'm done already for cooking my special tteobokki. Here we go, guys. Okay? Or in English, it's a rice cake. Okay? So, actually, guys, I want to try this one. I'm so excited. And this is the first time, I cook Korean food. Okay? Let's try. So excited. Let's eat. Mmm. 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 So yummy. Mmm. Mmm. Shrimp. Mmm. You know the rice cake is it's a chewy, and the taste it blends into a sweet, spicy, and you know the anchovy you can smell also. It's amazing, guys. So I want you to try this in your home, okay? It's amazing. Mmm. I love it. Mmm. Mmm. Perfect, guys. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, Yum Yum Herbias. And also don't forget to like and share. Okay, thank you. Bye. So guys, actually, because I'm done already cooking for our rice cake and tteobokki. So I have a special guest today. So he will try the tteobokki rice cake, and he's from Philippines, and his name is Jay from Laguna. Okay, come. He's here now.
Hi. It's my first time to taste this one actually.
Okay, so you can try now. So how's the
This
taste?
one?
Yes, how's the taste of the tteokbokki?
We will try. This one is yummy.
Yes.
Tastes good.
Thank you so much. Yes.
You have to try.
Okay. So guys, now thank you so much, Mr. SJ, for coming here and try my special menu for today. Okay, thank you.